Did you get the alert which says battery hitting unavailable charge rate reduce? You might get this alert with a code THC000, and THC stand for thermal heating control. And this is a general alert, and there could be a couple of reasons for this alert. So if you got this alert, please feel free to contact us. We could help you. So with the help of remote diagnosis, it's possible to find out the what could be the issue, what could be the reason for this alert, and after remote diagnosis, we can help you how to fix this alert. So recently we had one customer who got this alert. He contacted us, and we provided the remote diagnosis. And after the remote diagnosis, we found out what was the issue. So as I said, there could be a couple of reasons. So in particularly in this case, there was some issue with some harness and some pumps, and so we guided the customer how to fix it, and he was able to fix at his place without going to any service center or workshop. So if you are looking for support, if you are looking for remote diagnosis to fix this alert with affordable prices, please feel free to contact us. We will be happy to provide you support to fix this alert and remote diagnosis. We also offer a lot of Tesla remote services. You could visit our website, which is a carrepairservice.com, and here you will find all around Tesla alerts and repairs and services. So you could write us on WhatsApp, and we will be happy to provide you support. We are looking forward to help you. Thank you so much.